Well, this is my first video talking about my new Glock 27 40 caliber. I just got my concealed weapon permit today in the state of Florida. So I went and bought a Glock 27. So you guys can see. Uh, it's a pretty nice gun. I use it for concealed carry. Let me go ahead and check real quick. Safety check. Here it is. Nothing in there. Nothing clear. That's pretty cool. The only thing I don't like about it is this right here. If you're trying to, do the slat release, it's pretty hard. Here you go. But anything else is pretty good. It's very concealable. I am a big guy, a chubby guy, and actually, you cannot see if I have it in my waistband. I do have the ankle holster right there. It is made by DeSantis, and it's actually really awesome. It's really comfortable. I saw it on one of the reviews on it on the Glock 27, and I bought it. Also, I bought some ammo, MagSafe ammo. Really, it claims to be, it says, our weakest 380 outguns the hottest 45 ACP. So, I mean, it's pretty expensive. You can see the price right there, $22.99 for 8 rounds, but it claims to be the best. So, I got it. You can never stress out in, defensive situation. So, yep, that's it. I am very happy that I have the Glock 27. See ya, guys.